Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update TaxJar Nexus settings for better tax reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your TaxJar Nexus settings for better tax reporting, follow these steps closely. Log into your TaxJar account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section in the main dashboard. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Nexus. Click on Nexus to view your current Nexus settings. Here, you will see a list of states where you currently have Nexus. To add a new state, click on the Add Nexus button. Select the state you wish to add from the drop-down menu. You may need to specify your Nexus type for that state, such as physical or economic. After selecting the state and Nexus type, review any additional information required. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click the Save button. If you need to edit an existing Nexus setting, locate the state on your list. Click the Edit button next to the state you want to modify. Make the necessary changes to your Nexus type or details. After making edits, ensure that you click Save again to confirm the changes. If a state is no longer applicable, you can remove it from your Nexus settings. Find the state you wish to remove and click the Delete button next to it. Confirm the deletion when prompted to finalize the process. It's essential to periodically review your Nexus settings for accuracy. Accurate Nexus settings will help in generating precise tax reports. Make sure to consult a tax professional if you're unsure about your Nexus requirements. Once you're satisfied with your settings, log out of your TaxJar account. Regularly monitor any updates or changes in Nexus laws specific to your business. Doing so ensures compliance and helps you stay informed about tax obligations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.